feeling frustrated with low quality traffic, or you are having trouble finding a platform that offers reliable targeting options and high converting traffic. Perhaps you have tried many ad networks but don't get the result you expected, and maybe your ads not reaching the right audience. So in this video, I am giving a detailed review of HilltopAds, an ad network that claims to address these issues. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Watch till the end to determine whether it is the solution you are looking for. And in between the video, I am giving you the special bonus code which will help you to get 20% bonus. Example, if you submit $500, you will get extra $100 bonus free. So what is HilltopAds? HilltopAds is a global advertising platform that connects publishers, advertisers and agencies with their target audience. Since its launch in 2013, HilltopAds has established itself as a trusted platform, delivering over 73 billion ad impressions per month across regions like Europe, Asia and North America. It offers smart targeting tools, a self-service platform for easy campaign management, and an anti-fraud solution to ensure effective and secure ad performance. Designed for advertisers to maximize ROI and publishers to monetize their traffic, HilltopAds provide a reliable and efficient solution for scaling digital campaigns. What does HilltopAds offer? HilltopAds provide various tools and features to help advertisers and publishers improve their performance and increase their revenue. Their anti-AdBlock feature ensures publishers do not lose their ad impression due to ad blockers, enabling them to maximize revenue potential from ad clicks and impressions. This advanced solution works by detecting the presence of ad blockers on user's browser and bypassing them seamlessly without interrupting the user experience. Unlike older methods that rely on disruptive pop-ups or requests, modern anti-block systems take a subtle approach, allowing ads to display without requiring user action. This ensures uninterrupted website traffic for advertisers and a smooth browsing experience for users, making it a win-win for all parties involved. This self-service platform allows users to quickly start their ad campaigns and monetize their web traffic in just a few minutes. It includes conversion tracking and API tools for simple integration. HilltopAds support 8 payment methods, including USDT, Bitcoin, PayPal, and wire transfer, with a $50 minimum deposit for advertisers and a $20 payout for publishers. HilltopAds utilizes advanced traffic analysis and segmentation based on user activity, enabling advertisers to focus their campaigns on highly engaged users for maximum ROI. For publishers, this ensures the ability to monetize premium quality traffic, boosting their revenue potential. With auto optimization tools, advertisers can automatically blacklist their non-profitable traffic sources, saving time and improving campaign performance. Additionally, HilltopAds offers personalized support via email, Skype, Telegram, and chat during business hours. The platform supports 6 top converting ad formats, including pop under, in-page, video vast, video slider, banners, and multi-tag, ensuring flexibility for different campaign goals. It works across all major verticals, including dating, mobile apps and utilities, games, iGaming, VPN and pin submit, and e-commerce, making it an ideal solution for a wide range of advertising needs. Advantages of HilltopAds for advertisers. HilltopAds provide advertisers advanced tools to optimize their campaign and profitability. Their self-help platform allows users to launch ads in just 5 minutes and includes S2S conversion tracking and API tools for seamless integration. Advertisers can take advantage of advanced targeting options, allowing them to customize campaigns based on various factors such as geography, languages, browsers, device, and etc. How to sign up as an advertiser? The first step is to sign up for a HilltopAds advertiser account, and you can do this through the link in the description. That will take you straight to the sign up form. In the sign up form, select advertiser from the drop down menu. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. Then click on the sign up button. Now confirm your email. Inside the email, click the confirm email button. This will redirect you back to your HilltopAds dashboard, where you can create and manage ad campaigns, monitor your campaign performance, estimate ad spend, and much more. And yes, whenever you do your next deposit and apply the bonus code Technoven, you will get 20% extra bonus. Example, if you submit $500, you will get extra $100 bonus free. Advantages of HilltopAds for publishers. For publishers, HilltopAds help you to monetize your website traffic effectively, while ensuring a clean and safe ad experience. With high revenue ad formats like pop under, pop ads, in-page ads, vast or slider videos, multi-tag, in-page and banner ads, and direct links, publishers can maximize their earning without compromising the user experience. Payments are reliable and fast, with a minimum payout of $20 and a weekly payout every Tuesday on net 7 terms, using methods like Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal, and Paxum. HilltopAds also provide advanced tools, including anti-block solution to bypass ad blockers, clean pre-approved ads for safety, and post-back tracking to monitor and optimize performance. These features make HilltopAds beneficial for publishers seeking consistent income and professional support. Targeting and user-friendly dashboard. I found the targeting option to be very impressive. You can target by geographic location, device type, operating system, and languages as per your targeting needs. HilltopAds even allows you to focus on a specific app like YouTube or TikTok. Imagine running a campaign aimed specifically at YouTube users in a certain regions. This level of targeting could be a game changer for anyone who appreciates data-driven approach. It also offers a real-time reporting features that allows you to monitor your ad performance as campaigns run, providing instant insights into CTR, conversion, and trends. This helps you quickly identify what's working, so you can make adjustments for better results. The user-friendly dashboard available in multiple languages ensures smooth navigation and accessibility. Now let me talk about some pros I found in HilltopAds. Like you get a variety of ad formats, including pop bundle, in-page post ads, and video ads, provide great flexibility. Extensive targeting options which are ideal for precise campaigns. Excellent customer support which can be invaluable. Advertisers can start running their campaign with a minimum deposit of $50. And the cons which I found in HilltopAds is while it effectively filters non-performing zones, it does not manage bid adjustments. In conclusion, HilltopAds is a solid advertising platform that makes it easy for advertisers to create and manage campaigns while offering great tools to maximize results. With features like detailed targeting, multiple ad formats, and anti-fraud protection, it helps the advertiser to reach the right audience and publisher to get more from quality traffic. Weekly payouts and a user-friendly dashboard make it even more appealing. The only drawback is that you need to keep an eye on traffic quality to avoid any issues with bot traffic. However, with proper monitoring, HilltopAds can deliver excellent results. If you are looking for an ad platform that is simple to use and packed with useful features, then Hilltop is definitely worth trying.